In the world of dating and relationships, many men find themselves chasing women desperately, going to great lengths just to catch their attention. Some succeed in their pursuit, while others find themselves falling short, and even when they do succeed, they often end up feeling unfulfilled and unhappy. If you're one of those men caught in this cycle, fear not, because I'm here to save you. I'll share with you 5 simple and effective strategies that can transform your dating game, making women naturally gravitate towards you. You better not skip this one, brother. Without wasting any time, let's go straight to the strategy number 1. Stop chasing her. In today's world, women often find themselves bombarded with constant attention from men. This is because men are naturally drawn to youthful and attractive women. However, this incessant chasing can backfire. Real men don't follow the herd in a desperate pursuit of women. They don't chase women, they let women chase them. When you stop chasing her, you set yourself apart and pique her curiosity. She'll wonder why you're not like the rest, and this will make her work for your attention. Strategy number 2. Aim for self-improvement. If you're not chasing women, you might wonder what to do with your time. Instead of being aimless, channel your energy into self-improvement. Think of spiders. They don't chase prey but build a web that naturally attracts it. Similarly, real men focus on developing themselves, refining their skills, enhancing their mindset, and improving their physical appearance. They invest in becoming the best version of themselves, and women are drawn to this growth. When you become the best version of yourself, women can't help but be captivated. Strategy number 3. Don't always be available. If you're always available to women, you become predictable and lose the element of mystery. While being available for someone special in your life is important, we're discussing a stage where you're enjoying your single life. Show that you value your time and space by not always being at her beck and call. By doing this, you keep her guessing and intrigued, which ignites her desire to chase you. Strategy number 4. Master the hit and run. The hit and run strategy involves indicating your interest followed by an immediate withdrawal. It's not about playing with emotions but being upfront about your intentions. A real man doesn't lead women on. A well-executed hit and run involves complimenting a woman while also subtly letting her know you're not pursuing her romantically. This balanced approach boosts her confidence and curiosity, making her want your attention. Brother, before we move on to the next step, give this video a thumbs up, and do join our 1% community by clicking the subscribe button. Alright, let's move on to the strategy number 5. Be yourself. Don't pretend to be someone you're not just to please a woman. Real men are genuine. While they may be sweet, they don't sugarcoat their words or hide their true selves. By being authentic, you create an air of mystery, making women curious about you. The less common ground you share with a woman, the more she'll want to know about you. Embrace your uniqueness. It's what sets you apart and draws women in. Remember, brother, these 5 strategies are not meant to be manipulative or deceptive but rather tools to help you become a better version of yourself and make women naturally gravitate towards you. By not chasing women and focusing on self-improvement, authenticity, and creating an air of mystery, you can break free from the chasing cycle and experience more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Remember, being the best version of yourself is the key to attracting women authentically.